Yeah, welcome to a special showing of Kasafa action here at Barbican home field for, of course, Barbican FC taking on the Red Brigade, Boys Town FC. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the game as we get started right here.
You know that match? Eh? You know that match? Yeah, so you know that match? Match just start. You carry your radio, man, come you can't listen to it. Come on. You can't listen to it. Yeah. Match just start. You know what I mean? Watch out now. Don't really do. Oh, you say use the feeling you kick with the ball, so. You're alone, you know. You're alone. goal and now kick it. The next on the ball and still. Are you over to the ball and the goal? Good ball, Messi. I feel that man cap, what is up? Put him on yourself. Her ball can be put him right against the cross. The falling. Draw, come on now. The rich inside it. Yeah, one taller.
Taylor.
Why it's gonna cost too much? That's
Taylor.
Yeah.
Come now.
Driver shoes well.
Driver, I'm looking at go down and look at you.
The people
Driver,
coach now find me.
today.
And them friend them. Run
Driver,
over them
when
one
you play
item.
match today?
My mad, you know. Eh?
When you play match today?
We don't play much. We dey for a red cap from last week.
Pull up the man who's down already.
Roll them, man. Roll me a drink and watch race out on the phone. What can I pay me? Branda. There. My head mad, you know. You know my head mad.
Don't go ahead. Change it, man. Look at it. No, about the ball, locked, you know.
Where you move for Messi?
man. I just a talk about
I got out there. I got out there. I got out there.
No, man, foul.
Hold on, man.
Inside Keshan. Guzman, are you that, you know? Inside Messi now.
Why? So can't find nobody. Turn, man. Yeah, good ball. Outside. Outside.
Offside.
Those outside. Just those are look left.
Cool him in your mouth, cool him, man. Yeah, brother, talk now.
Out there.
In the white time, man.
Chop, chop. Oh,
When you
wow.
see him come now again, he come
Next side, Daddy. Next side, Daddy. You go to slow, but every day, me tell you that, brother. Me tell you that, brother.
I'm not trying to play the ball on the middle of the field.
Well, I invite them on the right on the
Yeah, middle of the field.
Good Keshan.
Let it go now, let it go now.
Papi, come back.
Hey, Pop, you don't go up on the man in ball. I hear one.
Yeah.
The man the wide line of deep, send him a while ago. Yeah, geek.
Messi, come now, Messi. We have to stay behind the line for.
Nothing wrong with that. Don't dribble, boy. You have to pass, man. Talking up here, the man in front of you now. Where do you think he's going for?
Bunch up.
Nah, he was a player.
Look, who up there for? Who up there for? Eh?
Come now, make it come now. Messi tall, man, man. Make it pass him, man.
Ole, ole, ole. You're talking, brother.
Messi should have lead 2 love already. 2 love the man and yes, he has it already.
Right to that, ready. All right, we have fun. Messi, why you going sorry that man strong point?
I give them man, sorry. I give them man to come to give away the football. All them leading goes score on the bench.
That's how him near set the ball out. Nice to the attack. Look weak, don't it?
Man leading goes on the bench, Rasta.
Early, early now.
I go with your Jump.
Yeah, move with the ball, man. I'll do something with the ball. Don't come
Bobby,
back.
give back one. Bounce it back on it, Bobby, man. Don't catch on it. Well, Bobby, where are you?
Take your ball, Messi. Messi, take your ball for the man, Messi. Take your ball, Messi.
Cover. Turn. Send fast, guys.
Feel me there now, man. Yeah, man.
Yo, Chris Brown come down the box, get in your box and pass the ball.
Here we go.
Can't pass it.
Kevin!
You see him. You see him. Even though that team have a back every year, we tell him that. Come up every year. Bro, don't think me joke, you know. You see him just slow the man, brother. Be a fuck boy, that's me, though. Want him go. You brother. Go. You want him go. You want him go. Not fight me. You want him go. You can't take me. One thing you know, you must play. Manage. The last 4 years, real Mr. Barbican start to leave. You lose a whole pop them, you have quality player more than some of them man up on the field. Like me and Ken. They manage.
Forget it together.
The man have to use their position. Enough to use their position.
Come like a tree, you can't turn it now. Call him, make him do something early in the Messi.
Good chunk. Oh, two ball of fire, man.
Messi, what them? What up?
Messi, give me a game where play with KC, man.
Some game, man.
The score.
Turn.
Sorry, the score.
Turn.
The score. Well, score 0-0.
Let it go, Papi. No carry to the man. On outside. Change it.
Come on.
Yeah, don't move it.
Don't go twice.
Don't move it.
Give me foot. Control it.
You are when I kiss his screen now. Before you better kill him. You better kill him.
Chris, what ball up in the next
Coach them again pure problem.
Yeah, broke his sister.
No man only can't play night. No man.
Messi can't play line.
This is your weakness, man. You don't try bombs nobody.
I go down the Messi. Come on, I go down. Don't call him. What you tell them?
Long time now, Go. So Chris, put to the bench. They don't call him man, Chris, man.
One day him thing, yeah, man.
Man, you want no stick.
Eh?
You want no stick. You have to call him.
Hello?
You have to call him and tell him. For the money.
Cool it. What's your ball at?
Come wide and give me outlet.
Yeah, early.
Come on.
No, you can't play, man.
The sing up and moan, I'm singing or something.
No, you can't play. At the 26, come on.
What surprise?
You can't play, man. You can't play.
Say my surprise.
Messi play wing back. Papi. Yeah, go on, Papi. Beat that one, too. Well played, Calico. Yeah, man.
Cool it, man. And touch him.
Right.
Touch him in a film chest, you know.
Yeah.
He gets touch in a film chest and he gets in a film back. Chuck get lick in a film back and he gets touch in a film chest. Number 9, here and go. Mama, do you understand? Understand, nigga? Say, come on. Have a night.
Just play simple.
No.
Go on, stop.
Every ball that man turn over. Every ball.
Change it, don't change it.
Him doing good. Man, him already said him doing good.
Where you go, Mika?
Most in the ear.
Early now, man.
Go win, go Mika.
Why you put line and play high?
Use Messi more than game, man. Yeah, no, man. Use Messi more than game, man. Yes, down the man.
I'm going to dribble on the flank,
Man, ability, man. Use the man like game, man.
Go on.
I'll take out the bird, man. Coach, second 10 now. What you want to say? One more. You want no more, you want to say. You know, see the man no good.
Calico.
Man, a box and a pass. Coach, this week no more cone. And the cone that cause a problem. And them not ice cream. One more crowd with a cone, you know, them not ever kick to the goal. Sir. Man can't play, come on.
You know what?
If you go Calabar,
I'll be stopped. No, stop.
Daddy, get up, man.
Move us, don't tell me
Number 10, look like you want the ball and you have a man.
Move us, tell me faster and show them to a bad man.
Go feet. I get
Tired the money man is tired.
Referee, man down referee.
Referee, man up on the ground.
Slow manage.
Puppy.
Right in front of you.
Eh? Yeah, brother, tell me.
Papi, take it off and no, Papi. Look no man inside, man. Calico, try one of your shots.
Ina.
I don't say my go. Listen, do something with me. Shift the one on me.
6 o'clock. Wake up. 6 o'clock. Wake up. Yeah, what time?
Calico, ask the man to kick you.
Calico.
Them not go a goal,
Yeah,
them
man,
not
chance
go
up
a
now.
goal line.
Hey, charge him up on that, please. Yeah, man.
Every pass I will have a
He fast, the chance champion. Man, I'm chatting up. Yeah, he have some more line up in the city. Show you this. Everything good. Everything good, man. You want that?
You got to be a one to two.
Right foot forward.
He message.
And the trainer then determine championship.
First set.
Chicken.
Go, the trainer, go, man.
Run it.
Take him, man. Yeah, man, take him, man. Take him, man. Yeah, man.
Hey, you know what birth control? That's how we know.
Get down, daddy, man.
No time up.
Got to react to the man.
Let's go inside.
Look like a Premier League player.
Premier League them up here. La Liga them up here. Bundesliga them up here. Liga them up here. La Liga them up here.
A bank of this, you know.
Barbie Canina.
Bank of this. Yeah, you don't put in a bank of this. Jamber. I'm team
them.
30. I'm team. Choose the next one call. They stop it. Vicky. We have some here. Vicky. You walk out. You stop it this week.
You rub down the ass a night time driver.
Yeah. Rub our pump on my
You know what they say about do?
What them do?
Ian, brother. Do I eat chicken or something? Working on process now. Number 10.
Are you here, girl?
Chuck, you ready, man? Push for your chuck.
Oh man, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
him set. I think in the one man we are going to lose it and nobody feels. Why? Don't catch him, don't catch him. Ball Messi. Ball Messi.
Man, call him, man. Call him, man. Tell the man to the man, man.
When the kicker reach before you hear the sound.
Get up, my youth! 6 o'clock, get up!
I want him, say. I want somewhere to play Premier League.
He can't walk, man. Stop faking, man. He can't walk. 22.
I don't want him to go there, so punch him, I want him to go. I'm only there. Spanish man. Come pull it. Come pull it. Come pull it. What I eat that, you know? So, why you carry the ball so long?
But I was man,
The 26 alone there, right?
But what you pray now? Dollar, what you pray? Dollar, what you pray? Him, set off here a long time. Same man play now, look. Same man play, so. Wife and each other, brother. I think you know I'm practicing.
We're going to play 3 at the back, right?
4 of them are playing. But the man out there, so man out there all like up high. Look on him. Right back, look how far him there.
He's a put on number 4, but Messi.
1 million almost can't get back.
Number 4 now, to that time. Send Messi up in the summer and make number 4 stay. Number 4. Come here, Messi a waste. Papi, see the age of your boy, eh? That's right for that. That's right for that. That's right for that. Like, you know, never have to run go back to the man. Shot there. Boy, nobody yet.
Money.
Watch out.
Right far away.
Messi. I'm starting for help, yeah? I'm starting for help. And 2 and 3 others against you alone. So the man, 2 man are going to do that. Eh? Remember? She and two that's what's the game?
Stop it and serve again now.
Pass it now. Sorry, say no, no. Pass it now. Give that man the same time. Come on.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Exactly, I'm put on the same back four. And they hang the ball in this one.
But you know, listen up, manage. Look at what you do, you know. Keep it up as a brother. Fuck go in and midfield, brother. Get a left back. Wrong and right to you.
With Finn's talent, I'm supposed to go, man.
Walk him
Send
away,
back
I
four
don't
right this time.
Alright, watch it up. Watch it, bro. I'm going to bet you this and win this time. So when they change them, I make, let's see how come across so. Into organization. Watch it.
Go, Papi, control this ball and take it back.
Goal.
Coco, ama, Coco! Coco! Warm up now!
Corner, corner.
Game over him. Now time I can't make it. I climb me a done ball. I'm team on it. Can't talk anything I feel like in the money.
Goal! Try.
So good.
Yeah. Alright. I look for it. Yeah, I look for it.
First ball go to the man in the lose. Start.
The turn pan, man.
Control the ball now. Lift up on. See down down the wing, man. See down down the wing.
Cut to the ball, my youth. Yo, wing bang, you're going to the ball, man. You have space and you kick. Come on, room you get the other man.
Yeah, I went down one goal. Look at goal back early, man. Six furlong, you know. Don't 10 past 4, we used to run out. 10 past 4. I watch them, I watch the ball.
What up on that?
See why there? Why? Keep early, man. You know we are part. Man, wide there, son. Right, that man up here running football, up here running. But if you listen to player training, say you deal with team, you have to listen to your player. You go and make a pass one, two, three. Yeah, that work. I jump, man, you know, say that jump in there. Man, they get the money. Sure, man, win this gun today.
Alright, coach.
Oh, you can't play a long ball. Double. And you don't have no man to hear you. Tell me. You never saw a man can flick on the ball. Yeah, man.
Right first, the man kick on the ball.
I didn't know that, man.
No,
No change. Me a foundation. Yeah. I didn't get good out there for all that bad apple, no. I didn't get good out there bad apple. I don't think I change the good then.
Set yourself goal and don't let it no more.
Me?
You never play last week.
Two company thing, man. It's like a force.
Be a man who won his side.
No, what makes me come in and work here? I say you walk it out. I say more. 40 years after. 40 years after, I'm in work here. You don't need that.
If you pay me. Yeah.
Come on.
A long time ago. First 3 balls where he gets into cover. Yes, I can.
4 runs.
Whole per time shape your body and make a
Manage. When me a play right, I get to kick the ball.
I'm on God alone.
nearly can woman.
I want to give you
2 man that come to the bar. Send me that one. Once to push I hit that
When
one.
me a play right, when you say me go play right back. Last year when you coach, when the coach will come and say me go play right back, you say me kick the ball. Eh?
come on, fly him. You got to know him.
Them man not trying me to man turn it.
They just want a little bit low down more in a tolo. And that's score, you know. They must tell you. Yeah, man.
Cut to the man.
Go to him right away, go and try to block the shot, man.
Cut to the man at 27.
Take one up there. Run it down, run
it by you. See the goal there. See the goal there. Move now. Yeah, boy. If you move, I will get it. What the rock? What did you do that? Papi? I'm going to get the ball for this pass. All the play now. Get him to work out. Look on the field. Jesus Christ. Let me steal. What you say, a pressure guard now? Rebound and nobody attacking.
Who did it?
Yes, here. Look wide, wide. Look on the field. Ball.
Yeah, I tell you down from here. Steve, wait, remember your way for going down.
Ball. He's not scored yet.
Yeah, man, this is
Good ball, Messi. He's not scored yet.
Ball go between his foot a while ago and can't see it. You never see my bend over and look for the ball, go behind him. Take a beautiful control, but the ball instead go forward.
Don't make the ball drop, you know. I love these guys to drop all of that score.
Alright.
What's your 2 man? One ball.
Head.
man. Bad man, man with the yard to give you. He never overdrive, he's going to push it down. 45 over. Time place in middle station. You never run up oh my God.
Lord, this youth are doing the ball.
You see, man, man, read the game, man. You don't have to tackle, man. Intercept.
Square the ball, man.
The man up front in the center, man. They can't hit. None of them.
They make the change and bring on the leading goal scorer on the field.
No.
That's how I tell you. I used to know one of the instruction. We are help you, you know one of help. Come here, foot.
One flat cross fucking line.
I'll make sure the man arrives before he passes the ball and pop it.
One of my time, you know, when we play Super League and play I think I play 4-2-3-1, you know, when no one has defense. I'm going to come out of that more balance. More balance. Yeah, man, if you want, and then you can spread to 4-3-3 anytime. That's the same thing, you know.
Hear me, I tell you, I hear this good. Now, don't put information in system. The 4-4 poem I use, big time for good.
What they have to do is,
Me I just another thing show you play. They get 40, and you give it 41. If you lose,
that's the philosophy of it. That's the problem, that.
one thing I don't know, sir. If you go on and override him, I put him on lead. ready, me up. Yo, as me ready, me out there. Come to Tolo. Come here, Tolo.
No, sir, no, proper than that. I did you man up.
I'm gonna leave my play and watch more.
Okay, the man just shot fire.
Fire me, I'm gonna leave up.
Make up a good life.
Yeah, man, I want to take up.
Knock it out, look what you need, man, come in.
Hey, what's that?
Win! Intelligently.
Yeah, man, yo, they feel like Barbican lose the final. I didn't want to give you that damn Malik. So if you pick up, make Malik play now. Deus, man. Goal 90 minutes for the bench, for the party. But that minute, I ain't too good.
I said, get the ball in 32. Alright, make it fun.
Listen, man.
You know, you can go
Yo,
around back, you know.
yo, doesn't play right back there. Down one. They down one. Them telling me I play Super League. Them telling me Super League in the boy. A bad man. The manager, them telling me Super League. Me a same team. One year I play Super League and me
What year you play Premier League?
same team.
Get up there. Man on.
Same team.
Good ball. Papi now. Offside.
Alright, in the money. Mad. He that. What come do it last year? Oi! I see come do it last year. What about? Tell me what come do it last year, shit. I hear some score from the last score from. Right, remember? One corner a buck out. I'm a slam against Duke Chencha Kingston. Remember? Then the other man check. Buck out right back, he put me. And he put me right back. Then they are shot. Manage, tell the man, man.
Me and Fago par, but two different things.
Eh?
Fago now go come on football match. Me a come on football match.
Yo, that's so I'm on bucket out. Say man bucket out because you have a chest so. And he boom off and give them a special. Because my special is.
Your best goal from out.
Eh?
Your best goal gone out, man. From them time.
How have you goal? I'm best goal. I got 30 and 15. That's a good goal score, but I Premier League goal and best goal.
But oh, 10 years ago.
Hey, that goal could have been a call, a national call.
My big simple.
About 10 years ago,
Come, see him wide there now, see him wide there. Control, don't run up from it. Play the whistle.
Don't give him a full foul. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Full foul. Early now. Oh, man.
Oh, we have to get back the goal now. We have to get back the goal.
Believe me, Brandon. Coming through the ranks and see young youth. Worst stuff I young youth.
We there. We don't kick it yet. Let's go goal.
No, wide.
Why no?
Referee, that's on the man though. The man hits the man foot.
Alright, that down. From the city.
Referee. Follow the game, the man
Look
the man
there,
took the man from behind a while ago.
Now, work, brother. I'm only at JC and KC inside this. All this Calabar man come up as a brother. Guys no change, man. Hey, Calico. This a man, yeah. Old man. Manly man then. Manly man.
Money man, Bill and Bill.
We're going back to your goal.
Good ball, you know, money that from the ball. You know, alright, down the field, down the field. Good chain, dude. Good chain. I'm saying, can I go play for the White House. Manager tell me so. Ah, them girls can go, you know. Like I live right beside the field. I know they take up and look down there. I said, I can, they'll come back up. Because they never play for White House yet. Right beside the field. Right.
Go along, man. Yeah, man.
So they bring some new legs in the midfield and put Calvin in back. So win the game now. And that was a nice game now, man. Look what you're doing. Wide. Control. Over here. Kishan, control the ball before him.
Alright, serious, huh?
No, man, put Messi up there so with a runner there, but I need to not
See coach either.
Put Messi up in on it with the youth.
Messi be cover son. Yo, boy. You can't tell me so don't get.
Alright, but we see them make out on it.
Oh, you go put the man where I feel your play.
Alright, so I'm bringing on two wingers. Look at them fast. Two wingers.
Sharp one. Yo, we're gonna be out with 10 lanes, you know. You know that?
Well done. Sack the ground. Right
in front of you.
Alright, we're gonna be out with 10 lanes.
Use the freshman him now.
Man,
Charge for the box. Run for the box. Run for the box. Run for the box. Run for the box. Yeah.
Man, call them that. I want to just that. I don't my boy don't make a goal score. One night I tell him, you know, you do the right, they better clear ball when they say you want.
Coco. Start up to spread them on there. Spread them.
No, don't come back. Seriously.
Yeah, see there.
Give me.
Go to it now. Good ball that you know.
I'm going to go outside. That's the only thing you can have on
Good.
Shot. On target. Go on target.
Yeah, man, we love to see that. We love to my center.
Give him a run now.
Why not? No.
All and low.
Oh, man, make a phone up that next day.
Listen. Here we have them around. You know what
Next
time
thing,
we win this?
next thing,
I was still there.
Next thing, make a phone up that. Me on the floor there now.
You're not playing for now.
Me on the floor there now. Yeah,
Joe. Right.
have something for them like push. Mad Christmas now. And Christmas now. Chris, we must play.
you know.
Alright. That's my own business. You see me have my own business. You see me have my own business.
The lifestyle of
So
folks.
me sell straight.
That's why your bargain gone down so low.
You know why? I don't know sense
The
of
rum
a
and the smoking and the smoking.
not a sense of a court.
I think the boy now, you know, reach out.
Me I tell you something, it's when you fuck it team a different thing.
You know, see that?
You want to different thing.
Oh yeah, there. Oh yeah.
Who them a play? You in the park have more than one look.
And you say that center in the Premier League, right?
Eh?
Second right back. Yeah, man, just like in Egypt.
You know him?
Can't say when you want to jump in, can't come
But
out
him,
right
look like him.
Kick the ball down the field, man. Yeah, that one love, you know. Man can't have that nonsense, you know.
Who that?
Oh, you have to take Messi off of the field. He can't come out, you know.
Hold on. You going to start playing now. Coach.
Messi come in like well, squeeze out.
They feel like me and him get to Brandon. One day we have to play practice.
You
We have
know
to
the
center
ball,
forward. I'm not in a ball. I'm jump in a midfield and get one
Yeah,
ball.
come on.
And
Come
pass
wide.
over.
See how we
So
come
me and
wide.
jump up. I say, "Wow, we can't jump again." Go on, man.
And that second if you catch a first touch, you become one in front.
And you want to get 30 minutes to run at them, man. That's why I run 90 minutes to the man.
You going coach for that man.
Yeah, that's what one good when
Yeah, but Barbican play a good first, second half. You know.
young now. So we can
Nice thing.
Up the field, right there, up the field.
turn.
Boy,
Yeah, pass the ball, come on.
Pass the ball. You ready for that?
Nice job. Take it and get through it and you check in now.
ball.
You get one.
Young it up, young it up.
Alright, you see, third Messi. Messi pick up the ball when he got behind, man. Yeah, you have to control them, man. Play it now, man, the offside, you know. I'm not, yo, the man, like the man that I do them thing on purpose more time. Like. Let that go outside. It's one of win back, you know.
No, you're young. Fucking hell. Yeah, man, they fight up the man. Hey, you don't want to bother play on it now, brother. If you can stay, if you can buy him a keeper. If you can buy him a keeper.
The man pull up the whole fucking. Mash up the teeth. No, man.
Money today.
Mash up the side.